Hey Beautyistic fam, welcome back to the channel, where we bring you honest, expert-level beauty insights. If you're someone who's been on the hunt for a product that truly helps with skin aging and gives you that glowing, youthful look, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the Darphin 8 Flower Nectar Facial Treatment. It promises smoother skin, reduced wrinkles, and a younger-looking complexion. But is it all it's cracked up to be? Stick around to find out. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an honest review from Beautyistic. Let's jump into it. The Darphin 8 Flower Nectar Facial Treatment is a luxurious oil-based serum designed to smooth skin, minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and improve the skin's overall suppleness. It's formulated with a blend of 8 precious flower oils, including rose, jasmine, and ylang-ylang, which are known for their soothing, rejuvenating properties. The treatment also claims to restore radiance and improve skin's elasticity, making it an appealing choice for those battling the visible signs of aging. Now let's talk about how this product performed in real life. I started using it during my evening skincare routine. I love that it's lightweight despite being an oil, and it absorbs pretty quickly without leaving any greasy residue. The texture is silky smooth, and you can instantly feel your skin being nourished. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and here's what I've noticed. The fine lines around my eyes and mouth have visibly softened. My skin feels firmer, and there's a noticeable improvement in how smooth my complexion looks. It also gives a slight glow, so it's great for a subtle radiance boost before bed. But it's not all perfect. As someone with oily skin, I did find that a little goes a long way. If you overdo it, it can leave your skin feeling a bit too slick the next morning. So if you're like me and prone to shine, be cautious with the amount you use. Let's break it down. The pros? Well, the texture is amazing. It glides on effortlessly, and the scent is gentle and calming, which adds to the whole luxury experience. I also love that it's suitable for all skin types, so no one gets left out. Plus, it really does deliver on its promise to smooth and rejuvenate the skin. On the flip side, the cons. The price point is definitely on the higher end. This product isn't cheap, so you're paying for that high-end formula. Also, if you're someone who likes a more matte finish or has oily skin, you might want to tread lightly with the amount you apply. Is it worth the price? That really depends. If you're looking for a product that blends effective skincare with a bit of luxury, this could be a great addition to your routine. The ingredients are top-notch, and it definitely works to smooth out fine lines and restore skin elasticity. If you're on a budget, though, there are alternatives that offer similar benefits for a fraction of the price. When it comes to customer support, I haven't had to reach out to Darphin personally, but the brand is well known for offering responsive service. You can expect professional support if needed, which is always a good sign when investing in pricier skincare. As for updates, this product hasn't had any major reformulations or changes that I'm aware of, so what you see is what you get. For those looking for alternatives, Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Night Moisturizer is a solid choice that's more affordable and also targets fine lines and wrinkles. It's not quite the luxury experience that Darphin offers, but it definitely gets the job done. To sum it up, the Darphin 8 Flower Nectar Facial Treatment does exactly what it says on the tin. It smooths, firms, and gives you that youthful radiance. However, the price may be a bit steep for some, and if you have oily skin, you'll want to be careful with how much you apply. But if you're looking to treat yourself and add a little luxury to your routine, it could be worth the investment. Thanks for watching, and if you're curious to try this product for yourself, the link is in the description. And if you've used it or have any thoughts, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Stay beautiful inside and out, and I'll see you in the next video.